My kings and my queens, welcome back to my channel. My old subscribers, thanks for always checking on to this channel, and if you are new turning to this channel for the first time, you guys are definitely welcome. My name is Queen Anikky. I'm a professional hair stylist and nails technician. I also tie gele. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and give this video and some of my videos a very big thumbs up if you love what I'm giving to you guys and if the video is helpful. So this channel is all about tutorial, guys. The channel is not lifestyle, it's tutorial, basically tutorial. This channel based on tutorial where you guys will be seeing different types of hairstyle, how to make it. If you are a stylist like me and you don't know how to do didi, like sleeping didi, this is the perfect channel that you'll be seeing all those hairstyles. Trust me guys, where you see different type of styles, modern one and local one, you see it in this channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. You can also share to your loved ones. Please share to your loved ones, because without you guys, there's nothing like Queen Anikky. So this is the only way we can grow this channel together. Please share this video to your loved ones. So guys, thank you so much, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial, please feel at home. Let me know in the comment section if you have anything in mind, as in the hairstyle that you want me to do tutorial on. Just let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to upload your request. Thank you so much guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. I love you all.